What's going on YouTube? It's your boy TURBOGOTBANDZ and I'm back with another video, man. I'm back with another vlog. And today, I'm about to do a different type of video. Like, this video is gonna be very different due to the fact that, like, bro, a lot of people don't want to bring their real self to YouTube, but no cap, I'm finna bring my real self to YouTube and I'm finna basically take y'all on a day of Ubering with me in a Chrysler 300 swap. I could be doing something very illegal, but I ain't gonna do it, bro, because a wise person told me not to do it. We're gonna take a ride in a Chrysler 300 swap. Now, I already got the car punked up, the car getting warmed up and stuff like that. So you feel me? She sounding good, looking good. I'm just letting her warm up so, you know, I don't blow nothing. Today, it's kind of a different type of video than what I normally do, but hey, man, all I do is car content on my vehicle, so I might as well just show y'all how I make some pay doing that and taking y'all throughout my day-to-day life. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, go stream all of my latest music. I just dropped a song called Russian Runs. It's down below in the description. Make sure you go stream that. We got another song dropping this Friday. I need y'all to go stream that as well, because listen, we grinding. I gotta figure out a way to drop a video every day. Like, I gotta go out and drop a video every day. I'm not playing. Like, I gotta be consistent, because 2025, I said that was gonna be my year where I prevail. Like, I do everything I said I've been wanting to do and stuff like that, and I gotta get to that. I gotta hold up to my word, because, like, bro, I can't keep letting this time just pass by, bro. Me keep letting this time pass by, I ain't gonna never get where I want to be, and where I want to be is not where I'm at right now. Yeah, buddy. All right, y'all, so look, I gotta tell y'all though, no cap, bro, it's been raining a little bit, so it's kind of wet out here, so I can't really cut up how I really want to, but I ain't gonna lie, ooh, I be forgetting how I have these interior lights on my car, no cap. I want to get it redone and professionally done so I can have it all the way out there, you know what I mean? Like I said, man, it's been raining a little bit, so I might be sliding because my tires kind of bald, but I ain't gonna make that a problem. I ain't gonna make that a big deal. We're gonna still get what we need to get done. So basically today we're gonna go out. We gotta manage this stuff because, like, for one, a lot of people who does this be in gas savers. Now mind you, I got a daily driver right there, but I'm not gonna drive that one today because I want to be in this one. I'm gonna cut up and do what I gotta do and have fun and bring y'all this content. So look, we gotta be smart and manage the gas, and I gotta go put air in my tire, bro, because I got a slow leak in this tire, in which I'm finna get a whole new set. I ain't even gonna get a whole new set. Yeah, I'm gonna just get 2 rear ones, and then, you know, I'm gonna swap the front ones to the back tire rotation. That's what I'm gonna do. All right, y'all, so I'm basically finna get ready to pull in right now to the place where I be getting air for my tire, because, bro, I'm telling y'all, bro, my car be tweaking. Like, I be running out of air on this tire so fast, bro. But I said I was gonna change this bit this week, though, no cap, because I had to wait on the guy who I get my tires and stuff from. I had to wait on him, and then, you know, he give me a full set for the good deal, like a good ass price. And I ain't gonna lie, once I get them, y'all already know what I'm on when I get them motherfuckers, bro. I'm spinning damn near every chance I get again, bro. Like, me, I have fun with my car, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Like, sometimes I granddaddy my car, but majority of the other, like, most times, no. I'm out here having fun in this bit, because, bro, like, why try to baby this car and it's meant to get beat like this? Like, it's literally meant to get beat. Hey, no cap, y'all, I got this bit here overly pumped. I got so much air in it down tire, it don't make no sense, boy. Because I get tired of it going out, but now I'm gonna have to drive, like, super cautious, because God forbid I don't want nothing crazy happening, and y'all know what type of crazy I'm talking about, and we not trying to go that route at all. Hey, man, any and every time I come to the city, bro, it's always somebody who on this highway that's gonna do some dumb shit. Like, how can y'all start traffic out of nowhere? Like, what could you possibly do for traffic to stop? Like, it just be dumb shit. Get out the way. Thunder when she throw it back. What you say? She know I'm piped up. She know I'm on one. So ridiculous. They just keep complaining. Hold on. Charlie, y'all, we in the city, man. That's what I do. Hey, sir. Trying trying to tell y'all, bro. I'm getting it in, bro. We getting it in together, man. It ain't nothing to get it in and hustle, get that paper. You feel what I'm saying? I would spend it, but we gotta be conservative, bro. I can't be going too crazy, bro. I cannot be going too crazy, bro. Cause you still gotta make a profit off of this, bro. Only reason you can't really make a profit if you spanking your car and you know your car drank gas. But at the end of the day, I'm gonna show y'all, like, bro, it's possible. It's like you could do this junk, bro. And if I get to a point where I'm going crazy, I need Uber to sponsor me, bro. Like, come on in, bro. Uber, come sponsor me, bro. I need you. I need all that. No cap. Let's get something together. Let's put something together and let's make this money. Heard one of the day we here, man. We're going to Hero, motherfucker. No cap, y'all. We're going to Hero out there, bit. I should have got out on the right side so I can get over. Ooh, man, that's a park ranger. I'm thinking that's 12 behind me. That's a whole ass park ranger, y'all. So we at our first destination, man. First spot, bro. And this first spot is called Hero Donuts. Like, I don't know what that is. I ain't gonna lie. But hey, this is a nice area I'm at, bro. I'm in the city with this. Y'all know, man. Young guy from the south side of Atlanta, Georgia. You know what I'm saying? Riverdale. That's where I'm from. I'm from Riverdale, Georgia. But you know, I mainly be in the city though. But currently, we about to go in Hero Donuts and we finna see, like, what's going on with this, bro? What this man getting from Hero Donuts? My fault if it's dark, bro. If it's dark, my fault. I gotta get accustomed to picking my camera up again, holding my shit up high. Cause when I don't hold my camera up high, bro, I be selling, bro. My shit be getting dark as hell and shit. My apologies.
All right, there we go. Yes, sir. Appreciate it. Have a good one.
Now we got the package. Now we finna get up out of here. Now, I ain't gonna lie, this man, it's kind of early for you to be grabbing all this type of shit, boy. Like, what the hell you finna do with all this early? All right, y'all. So, now that we got the first package, we gotta go and deliver this joint now. The location says I'm probably like 13 minutes away. I'm finna actually look it up on my GPS to see the exact time limit. And right now it says I'm 15 minutes away. So, we gotta drive 15 minutes away to drop all these donuts to Sam, man, cause it's currently 11 o'clock in the morning. He got about 50 something donuts. Like, but hey, to each his own. That's not my business. Let's go ahead and deliver this. All right, y'all. So we basically just dropped that one off to Sam, and Sam is walking right there. You know what I'm saying? Hey, this shit feel like Schedule 1. If y'all know what Schedule 1 is, bro, let me know if I should start playing that on stream, bro, because I have a PC, bro. Like, if y'all want to see me do that Schedule 1 on the game, bro, let me know, bro, because I'm telling you, bro, coming to a neighborhood near you. Every time you see a cardinal, bro, you gotta blow at it, bro. Blow kisses, man. Make a wish, bro. I'm telling you, like, hey, manifest it, bro. Your tongue is powerful. You will be who you say you will be, bro. I will be a millionaire. I will make it. But currently, right now, we on the way to someplace. I don't know where I'm going. I only gotta drive 7 minutes away, bro. Like, this one is pretty close, no cap. Like, 7 minutes ain't far at all. But I need to get a camera mount for my camera. Because if I be able to have my camera sit right here, oh, we in the game. I'm talking about all the way in the game, bro. Cause that's a tough camera angle. See, when I did have my Chrysler 300 dash in here, bro, my camera could sit right there. But now I got the Charger dash. I got to get a mount that'll mount to the glass, the windshield, and I'll be able to keep it right there. Because if I was to make a turn or something like this, it'll shake, it'll fall, it'll do a lot of different things, bro. And you know what I'm saying? I just be want my cam to stay right here. Like, my camera just really wanted to fall right then and there. But we ain't gonna let you fall, coach. I want my camera to stick right here. Just stick, ma. Just stay right here, ma. Just stay. Just stay. Y'all don't realize, bro, this is what I really be Ubering in, bro. Like, this motherfucker, Mr. Gas Guzzler, but this my baby, y'all. I love this motherfucker, bro. I really do love this car, man. I got a lot in store with this car, man. We're gonna get this bit right how I want it, bro. I'm gonna have this bit all the way 100% done real soon, bro. I'm gonna get this bit to the point where I need it to be, but right now we still got some work to do. Hey y'all, look, so I'm in a tunnel right now, look, and this lady right here next to me, I'm finna rev my engine, see what she said. Can y'all see her? Let's zoom into her. Oh! Shout out, you got scared as fuck. Oh shit. Damn! Let me stop. And anybody can come in this joint.
It's the recreation center. You gotta be a part of the program, man. They might have locked the door, so I need to go.
I ain't been around no little kids in a long time. Yeah.
Yo, it's your boy MA2Lit. Subscribe to my channel.
No.
MA2Lit.
What you be doing on your channel, bro?
I just make random videos. You know?
About what?
I play football.
You fly? Let me see how fast you it is. You faster than him, bro? You faster than him?
Sexy in the house, you know what I'm saying? Big
What you doing? What room is it? They locked it? Them boys finna race. You finna race, you better watch out.
Yeah.
Man, these girls getting everything, bro.
Oh, okay.
I ain't have nothing like this in school.
You need people like me.
What? Bro, I be trying to be around you, man. My own sister just don't be wanting me to be around, chat.
Just gonna run down here. All right, so the object of this day is signing day because most of our teams only get recognized when it's pertaining to sports. In the Atlanta Team Leader Program, it doesn't matter what you decide to do after graduation, we're going to celebrate you, right? So today is our 2025 Atlanta Team Leader Signing Day. And their first stop is going to come back here because they are going to receive dinner. You know, we're going to make sure their bellies are full and stuff and give them, you know, just break bread with them. So they're going to come in here after they check in. So earlier this day, they had already went to the gym to decorate their personality table, but we'll get to that. But here we are, this 2025, this our Atlanta Team Leader, pop up, this our brand. And this year we have 36 teams graduating, 27 that are confirmed today.
Man, got these folks driving on the sidewalk. Damn, he almost wrecked this shit. Boy, tripping. He trying to get all in the way, trying to get out of shit, fucking their cars up, gang. She's hell. Hello? What happened?
What?
What's up, what?
What?
What's up, what?
Really? I walked all the way down here while you stopped.
Come on, man. That's too easy.
I'm saying, I didn't stop. What happened? You alright?
I'm alright.
What you about to do?
Working?
We fucking got him.
What you working? I'm saying, what you working?
What you want? Hand?
I'm trying to see what that be like.
Nah, I was just asking.
Fuck! I ain't gonna lie, we gotta get this nigga his props.
She just walked up to my shit tweaking.